Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again today. Today we're going to talk about how to wire multiple outside lights off of one sensor. So stick around. Okay, so as you can see, we have two large 150 watt LED lights, and in the center, we have a nice sensor. So this is a separate sensor that we have purchased so we can specifically run. So you can see there it's sensing me as we walk up, and then we have this in a RAB box. So let's walk up on top and I'll show you how it's done. Alright, so here's each light. And we have them going into a RAB box, and these are just basic 14-2 lights, 120 volt. Piece of pipe going over to our center box with our sensor, and then running over to another light. So in particular, we want to look at the connections today. So this wire coming up through the top of the C-can is actually the power source. So inside this box, we have all our neutrals connected together. So the neutral comes from the power source, goes out to each light, and also goes to the sensor. The power feed itself goes directly to the black of the sensor. The red of the sensor, which is the switch part of the sensor, which tells the lights to come off and on, goes out to each light. So when that sensor is tripped or motion occurs, it tells those lights to come on. And that's it. Now, when doing this, we always have to watch out, because as you can see right on the back of the sensor, I don't know if we can zoom in there or not, these are rated for 200 watts. So they're great. Let's see if we can focus in here. Yeah, there we go, 200 watts max. So these lights are actually 150 watt lights, but we had to dial them down because they're adjustable to 100 watts. They're selectable wattage on these new RAB style lights that we've put in. So just be careful when purchasing a sensor that is rated for the actual load that you're installing. So it just says 200 watts. It doesn't say incandescent, doesn't say LED, but these load rated on these lights are actual LED 200 watts. So we've checked the sensor. When we move, of course it comes on, and when you stop moving, it goes off in a timely fashion. So that's pretty much it. I mean, you can wire as many lights as you want to a sensor, providing that you stay under the load rating, and that depends on the lights that you're going to do. For example, if you wanted to put, say, 6 lights on your garage, and they were under the wattage for the sensor, you can have them all come on the same sensor, and it's just that simple. The black hooks on to the straight power, and the red switches the lights. Anyway, I hope you like this short video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys again next week.